Hi, I'm Meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk some mountain weather and ski conditions. We'll start off with Alta, Little Cottonwood Canyon up there. Snow's coming down. This is that storm that will set us up for a powder Friday and a powder Saturday across the Intermountain West. So that is Alta, and I think the most likely snow amount in that area is probably 6 to 12 inches. I may take the high side on that. We'll see. I'll show you what I'm thinking here in a second. But here's radar and satellite. You can see the storm coming through. The snow isn't blue right here. There's a rotation with this low pressure that's kind of right in this area. Let me just mark it if I can. And that would be the main area of low pressure, and then all the moisture is just kind of rotating around like spokes on a wheel as this low comes through. Now eventually this low will be moving into Colorado, and I do expect some pretty nice healthy snowfall amounts across the west and southwest parts of Colorado's mountains. If you're going to be skiing on Friday, I'd take a look at Aspen, Snowmass, Telluride, Silverton, Wolf Creek, Purgatory, those areas for Friday and on Saturday as well. As the storm wraps up and moves away, I think those areas will be benefiting nicely. The Tetons, what about the Tetons? Well, the Tetons are on sort of the northern periphery, kind of out of the rotation a little bit. I still think you could probably do 6 inches up there in Jackson Hole, Grand Targhee, Big Sky, but let me show you how this plays out on our future radar here. Blue is going to be snow on this. So again, as the low comes through, the snow kind of has a nice pivot right over the top of the Wasatch. So looking at 6 to 12 inch amounts for most places. There will be some places that could certainly overperform, watching for that potential in Little Cottonwood. We'll see if that happens. But so then the snow, this is by Friday morning, is moving in and through Colorado. Let me take you into Friday afternoon, Friday night, and Saturday morning. Snow largely dries up by that point. So again, best powder days are going to be Friday and Saturday across Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, and Idaho and southwest Montana, because by the time we get into the latter parts of Saturday, I mean, it is just a dry pattern with high pressure settling in across a lot of the west for Saturday and Sunday. I mean, look at that. There's just nothing there. It's bluebird conditions and Sunday. So what lies next? What comes next? Well, it's up in the Pacific Northwest. You see the blue running into Whistler on Sunday morning and Banff. That's the next storm to drop down through the Pacific Northwest between Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and Monday morning. And then that storm, there it is, racing south towards Sun Valley and the Big Sky and the Tetons by Monday, will become a Tuesday storm in Colorado. So we'll pass through the Wasatch, but that's next week. So let's talk about accumulation here if we can. So between today and tomorrow, this is when we'll pick up most of the accumulation across Utah and Wyoming and Idaho and southwest Montana. All right, so accumulation numbers should look like this between today and tomorrow. Again, probably somewhere between 6 and 12 inches in Park City up to Big Cottonwood and Little Cottonwood Canyons. Jackson, somewhere between 5-6 inches probably by Friday morning. Now Colorado's just starting to see that action by Friday morning, and the numbers will continue to tick up during the day on Friday. So that is by Friday morning. Now this will be by Saturday morning. The numbers will continue to go up, and I think we'll reach our grand totals by Saturday morning. Look at Alta. I think probably ending up in Snowbird, ending up somewhere around 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 inches, so on that higher side of that 6 to 12. In Colorado, Silverton does well by Saturday morning, reaching some of the grand totals. Telluride, Purgatory, Wolf Creek, anywhere from a foot to maybe a foot and a half in that area. Not as much snow as you go north in Colorado. I-70 north, the numbers are generally 2 to 6 inches. Look at Jackson, you've reached your total about 6. I wish we could have cranked out more though. Big Sky 4, and then not a lot happening in the Pacific Northwest, but that will change come on Sunday. So that is by Saturday morning. Now by Sunday into Monday, watch the numbers in Whistler and Baker and Rainier all tick up. And look at Sunshine Village and Marmot Basin. Those numbers look really good. This could be a nice snowfall between Sunday and Monday in that area of Banff. And we're talking 1 to 2 feet up there. And the Pacific Northwest, from Whistler to Baker to Rainier to Stevens Pass to Timberline. So, I mean, if you're going to be skiing on Monday morning, aim for the Pacific Northwest or aim for Banff, for sure. All right, so there you go. At least we've got some new snow to talk about as we head into this weekend. Always appreciate you tuning in here. Take care and have a good day.